Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create account in Among Us on your iPhone or Android device. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. For this video, I will show you steps on iPhone, but the process is same on Android devices. First of all, let's download the Among Us game on the iPhone. If you have the game already, skip this step and navigate to the next step. Open App Store, search the game and download it. When you open the game, you will see privacy policy and terms dialog. Tap understood. Next, you will see this dialog box. Now this is crucial. Either tap on the sign in option or tap more option to go for the other login option. And don't close this screen. If you do it multiple times, you will see this Apple account error or similar. And if you tap continue, you will lose the opportunity to log into the game. As you can see, there is no option to log in now. To log into game, close the game and relaunch it. And when you see this option, tap login. Now if you have installed the game on the iPhone, you will see sign in with Apple. And if you have Android phone, you will see sign in with Google. So select accordingly. Next, you need to do the age verification by entering the birth date and submit. Confirm the details. Now if you have already played the game on this device without an account, then you will see this dialog box. Now it's your wish whether you want to merge previous data by tapping merge guest account or start fresh by tapping not right now. Once done, you will get some welcome gift, so redeem it. At this point, you have successfully logged into game. And that's it. I hope this helps. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.